Hey guys, I want to show you a few things today regarding ClickFunnels and ClickMagick and why you would want to use ClickMagick for tracking, and then also how to incorporate your custom domain that you get in ClickFunnels into ClickMagick to use as a custom URL. So let me share my desktop. All right. So if you're not familiar with ClickMagick, it's a really great tool. It helps you get to know your audience better by putting in tracking links on pretty much anything you want to track that is clickable. That could be your affiliate link, that could be purchasing links, blog links. If you want to test if more people are clicking on your links in Facebook versus Instagram, that's one way to use ClickMagick to set up a tracking link for both of those for your ads, so you can see kind of what is actually being clicked and who's clicking on it, what your audience is like, where they are, where they're clicking on your links. So it's a really great tool. You're doing any kind of marketing online. I want to show you. So I'm going to click on links. And when you get a ClickMagick account, this is what your tracking link looks like. It has the clkmg.com in front of your personal username. Mine says Jesslyn Adventuring. And then your primary URL, that is where you put where you're sending, like the actual URL that you're sending people to. So it could be your affiliate link, it could be your website, it could be your blog post, kind of whatever the actual destination link is. And so as far as creating a custom tracking domain, there's a few reasons why you want to do that. One is to make it look cleaner. So it'll be www. Your website rather than this ClickMagick. So one, it looks better, and then two, everyone gets the clkmg.com, as the base of their tracking link. So lots and lots and lots of people are using this. So you want to also distinguish yourself from that server so that you're separate and not grouped in with everyone else. Because if someone's a bad actor and uses the clkmg.com for something spammy, then kind of like the server can get shut down for a while. So a couple of reasons why you want to have your own custom tracking domain. So there's two ways to do that. One is by if you have a domain that you already purchased off of something like GoDaddy or Namecheap, you can integrate that domain into ClickMagick. And then the other way is if you have a ClickFunnels account and you have the free URL that they provide for you, there's a sneaky way to have that connected. As far as the first way, using a domain you already have, I'm going to click on help here, and I'm just going to show you they have, I'm going to click on custom tracking domains. They have really great tutorial in here on how to do that. And they also, they explain everything here. And then they also have a really great video. If you're more of a video learner, then you can go to video tutorials, custom domain. And this video right here will show you exactly how to get a custom domain, purchase your own domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy, and then how to integrate that domain into ClickMagick to use it for tracking. But what they don't show you is how to integrate your domain from ClickFunnels. So if you sign up for ClickFunnels and they give you this free domain, it doesn't show you how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But I'm going to get this set up because we're going to want to get something off of this FAQ here in a second. But for right now, I'm going to go into ClickFunnels. So you just start off in your account. So just click on Account Settings. And then once you're in Account Settings, you want to scroll down until you see Domains. Click on Domains. And then that's where you're going to have your free domain that you got in ClickFunnels. And you get to pick it, as long as it's available, you get to pick your domain name. So this is mine, Adventuring 365. I'm going to click on that. All right, so you can see Adventuring 365 is my domain. So what we want to do is scroll down to Edit Zone Records. So Edit Zone Records, I'm going to click on Expand. So again, I just went to Domains, clicked on my domain, scroll down, Edit Zone Records. I'm going to click on Expand. All right. Now there's a bunch of DNS zone records stuff in here. You're just going to ignore everything that's already in here. Scroll down to the bottom where there is a blank one. So you can see there's nothing in here where it says type, name, and value. So for type, we're going to make this a CNAME. And then as far as name goes, you get to pick what you want. So whatever you put here in name is going to go in front of your URL. So you could have go.adventuring365. You could have track.adventuring365. Go or track are pretty common ones. It could be anything that makes sense for you. I'm going to use go. And then for the value, you want the value pointing back to ClickMagick. So I'm just going to go to the FAQ, scroll down. This is also where you can get to the video. So to use for tracking links, you want to use www.clickmg.com. This is the target domain field. So I'm just going to copy this, put this target domain field, www.clickmg.com, into the value section here and click Funnels. So type CNAME. Name, I put go, you can put track or me, visit, any word basically that you want there. And then the value is a ClickMagick site. I'm gonna hit save. I'm just gonna go back in real quick, make sure it's there. Oops, edit zone records, you have to click on expand. So now you can see, actually let me scroll down. Okay, so I have the CNAME, go, ClickMagick, clickmg.com. All right, so we should be good in there. I'm gonna go back to ClickMagick now. And I'm going to go to Tools and Domain Manager. So for adding a domain in here, you want to put what we just created. So for me, it's adventuring 365.com. Setting up as CNAME DNS, that is what we want for use with tracking links. I'm going to have no for enable cloaking. And then when you hit add custom domain here, you might get an error. I might even get an error since we just created it because I'm doing this live. Sometimes it can take a few minutes. So let's see here. Okay, yeah, it added it. So it's right here, custom domain added successfully in the CNAME record. So now when I go to links, but when I want to create a new tracking link, I will have the go.adventuring365.com to use as my custom tracking link. I'll just do a test here. And then your primary URL is wherever you want your destination to be, like your affiliate link, sales page, whatnot. I'm going to see if I can use Google as just an example here. In general, I'm going to leave cloaking for no. In general, you want to leave it no, but they have a very good tutorial on what cloaking means and when to use it. So for now, I'm just going to say no. I'm going to create link. And then this test, I preview it, it's going to take me to Google. So that's how it works. And then once people open, click on your links, you'll see it'll start tracking in here for total clicks, unique clicks. There's all kinds of information that you gather in here. And again, they have a great tutorial that explains what all this means. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to use ClickMagick, why it's important for tracking your links, and then how to integrate your ClickFunnels domain to use it as a tracking domain. And then, if you already have your own domain that you already bought, or you want to buy a new one to use it just for ClickMagick, I'm not going to show you how to do that. But again, they have a very good tutorial in here. Where did it go? There it is. I was looking for the word domain, and the word custom was first. Custom tracking domains. And again, they tell you exactly how to do it. It's actually very easy. You just have to copy like a few little code things, but they have it all explained for you. And this video also walks you through everything on the screen, so you can watch and see what they do, pause it, do it yourself. It's very easy. So I hope that was helpful. I know for me, I was like, how do I get the ClickFunnels domain into ClickMagick? I kind of had a mental block on it because, ClickFunnels gets it for you. So I was like, well, they bought it, and I don't know where they bought it, so I don't know where to get the code, but it's actually very easy. I showed you exactly how to do it. So now you know. And below I'll have a link for if you want to try ClickFunnels or ClickMagick. There are free trials, so you can get on, play around with it, learn, see how it works, how it can work for you, and if it's a tool that you'd like to incorporate in your online marketing efforts. I definitely recommend both of them. They're both very user-friendly, have great support, and just are really good tools to incorporate in your marketing. All right, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed.